Hi friends, welcome to Susan Recipes. Today I'm going to prepare a very famous street food here that is known as Ghugni. In this recipe, the main ingredient is this Ghugni Matar, which is a dried yellow peas. So I have soaked this overnight. You can soak this for 6 to 7 hours and then drain away that water. So this is 250 grams of butter. Here I have taken 2 big onions and I have chopped them finely. I'm going to use half of it in the curry, in the Ghugni recipe, and half for garnishing. Some fresh coriander leaves I'm going to use for garnishing. 2 green chilies. You can see I have slit them. And here I have chopped 2 green chilies. So 2 green chilies chopped and 2 green chilies slit, 2 bay leaves, half a teaspoon of garam masala powder. This masala, friends, I have made it by roasting little bit of cumin seed, little bit of coriander seed, red chili, dried red chili, and little bit of dalchini I have used. 1 big tomato chopped, 2 medium-sized potatoes chopped. You can see I have cut them into small pieces. This is coconut, friends. I am adding it to my Ghugni recipe. However, this is optional. If you don't want, you can skip this. 2 tablespoons of ginger and garlic paste. Salt as per our taste. Here I have taken tamarind water. I have soaked few tamarind pulps into it. If you don't have this, you can also use lemon juice. Here we have cumin powder. So I'm going to use half a teaspoon of cumin powder, half a teaspoon of coriander powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, and here I'm going to use half a teaspoon of red chili powder, which is Kashmiri red chili powder. This will only give us a very nice color. And apart from all this, we are going to use oil and water for cooking. So I'm going to use mustard oil, friends. This gives a lovely flavor to this recipe. So let's get started. Very first step that we are going to do is we are going to boil this matar. So here I have taken the pressure cooker and I have kept here 3 cups of water, and I'm going to add this matar to this water. So here I have added the matar here. Now along with the matar, I'm going to add 1 bay leaf, that is tej patta. I'm going to add these 2 chilies that I have slitted long ways. And then I'm going to add little salt. Just little bit, friends. And then I'm going to cover this pressure cooker and cook it for 3 whistles. Friends, meanwhile, our peas are already boiled. So I'm going to go to the next step. That is, I have taken 2 tablespoons of mustard oil and I'm heating it. You can see my oil is already heated. I will lower the flame and then I will add the chopped potatoes. And now I will fry these potatoes for 2 minutes. I'll increase the flame. Friends, after 2 minutes, our potatoes will look like this. They are slightly fried. So I will now reduce the flame and take these potatoes out in a separate bowl. So friends, here I have taken out the fried potatoes, and then back to the same oil. This is the remaining oil that I have left in my kadhai. I'm going to add one bay leaf. One I have already added in the matar, and then I'm going to add half of these chopped onions. Half I'm going to keep it for garnishing. I will slightly cook this till the rawness of the onion disappears. So now friends, you can see my onion has changed its color. So I am going to add the 2 tablespoons of ginger and garlic paste. And I am going to cook this paste nicely. Our ginger and garlic paste is cooked nicely. So now I am going to add the chopped tomatoes. And along with this chopped tomatoes, I am going to add all the dry spices. That is half a teaspoon of coriander powder, half a teaspoon of cumin powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, half a teaspoon of garam masala powder, and little bit of salt. Friends, do keep in mind that we have already added salt with the matar. So just little bit of salt, and I'm going to cook this nicely so that my tomatoes become soft. If required, friends, I'll add little bit of water also. So friends, here my tomatoes are slightly cooked, but I can see my masala might get burnt. So I'm going to add little bit of lukewarm water. I must say friends, lovely aroma of this masala is coming out. So now our masala is cooked properly. I'm going to add the fried potatoes to this. And I will mix it nicely. Meanwhile, let this potato get nicely mixed with the spices. I'll show you friends here the matar that we have boiled, Ghugni matar. It's cooked perfectly, as you can see. Look here. It's cooked perfectly. So it's nicely done. I will not drain this water. I'm going to use this also. So we'll cook this potato for 2 minutes with the spices. So friends, after cooking the potatoes for 2 minutes in the masalas, I'm going to add the boiled Ghugni matar along with the water and the green chili and the bay leaf, and let it get cooked. I'll mix it nicely. Friends, when we prepare this matar, it requires a lot of water. So just keep that in mind. Since there's already such a lot of water here, I'm going to cover this and cook, but I'll not add any more water in this. So I'll just cover this and let it boil. So friends, after bringing this to boil, I will remove the lid. I will add little coriander leaves little bit of coriander leaves, and I'll keep some for garnishing later. And I will add the chopped coconut also so that it mixes well, and little bit of the roasted masala, and I'll keep little bit so that later I can use it for garnishing. So our ghugni is almost cooked. It is ready. So we will put off the flame. So friends, here is our delicious ghugni ready. I'm going to garnish this with little chopped onions, chopped chilies, freshly chopped coriander leaves, little bit of chopped coconuts, then here I have this roasted masala, and at the end I'm going to add the tamarind juice. So here is our delicious ghugni ready. We can savor this just like this as a chaat, or else we can also have this with roti, with bread, with puris. It's a very famous street food here in Bengal. Do try this at home, friends. I'm sure you will love this recipe. And if you like my recipe, please subscribe to my channel and please click on the bell icon so that you get the updates of my new recipes. Thanks for watching, friends. See you soon. Bye.